Hello children, welcome to the maths class. In chapter 12, algebraic expressions, coming to exercise 12.3. The value of expression depends on the value of variable of which the expression is formed. And to find the value of expression, we have to put the given value of variable in expression and solve it. Question 1. If m equal to 2, find the value of these expressions. First, m minus 2. The value of m is given to variable m. So, to find the value of expression at the place of variable m, we have to put 2. So, put 2 at the place of m. 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2, 0. The value of expression is 0. Second, 3m minus 5. 3m means 3 into m minus 5. So, at the place of m, put 2. 3 into 2 minus 5. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. Third, 9 minus 5m. 9 minus 5m means 5 into m. So, 9 minus 5. Put the value of m 2 here. 5 2s are 10. 9 minus 10. 9 minus 10 is minus 1. Fourth, to find the value of this expression at the place of m, put 2 and then solve. 3m square means 3 into m square minus 2m means 2 into m minus 7. At the place of m, put 2. 3 into 2 square minus 2 into at the place of m 2 minus 7. Now 2 square means 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 2 is multiplied by itself. So 3 value of 2 square is 4 minus 2 2s are 4 minus 7. 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 4 minus 7. 12 minus 4 is 8. 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. So, the value of this expression is 1 when m is equal to variable is equal to 2. Fifth, to find the value of expression at the place of m, put 2. 5m means 5 into m by 2 minus 4. At the place of m, put 2. 5 into 2 by 2 minus 4. This 2 will cancel. 1 2 is in numerator, other is in denominator. Now this is left 5. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. So the value of expression is 1 when the value of variable m is given 2. Question 2. If p equal to minus 2, find the value of these expressions. First, to find the value of this expression, at the place of variable p, put minus 2. 4p means 4 into p plus 7. 4 at the place of p, put minus 2 plus 7. Now this multiplication, 4 into minus 2. In this multiplication, one number is negative, the other is positive. So, product will be negative and 4 2s are 8. So, here we get minus 8. Minus 8 plus 7 is minus 1. Minus 8 plus 7. Signs are different. So, subtract and give the sign of greater number ignoring the sign. So, the value of expression here we get minus 1. Second, to find the value of this expression at the place of variable p, put minus 2. Minus 3. Minus 3p square means minus 3 into p square plus 4p means 4 into p plus 7. Minus 3 at the place of p, put minus 2. Minus 2 square plus 4 into p into minus 2 plus 7. Now this minus 2 square. Minus 2 square means minus 2 into minus 2. In this product, both the numbers are negative. So, product is positive. 2 2s are 4. And this 4 into minus 2. Here only one number is negative. So product is negative. 4 2s are 8. Here we get minus 3. Square of minus 2 is plus 4. So minus 3 into 4. And here we get minus 8. Plus in bracket minus 8. Value of this is minus 8 plus 7. Now in this multiplication, again one number is negative, the other is positive. So product is negative. 4 3s are 12. Bring the number out of bracket. Here in front of the bracket plus sign is there. So number inside the bracket will come out as it is. Plus 7. Now solve this. Minus 12 minus 8. Both the numbers are negative. Add and give the same sign. Minus 20. Minus 20 plus 7. Minus 20 plus 7. Signs are different. Subtract. Here we get 13. And give the sign of greater number ignoring the sign. So answer here we get minus 13. The value of expression when value of variable p is given minus 2 is minus 13. If the value of variable is given negative, always keep the negative values in bracket first. Third, to find the value of expression at the place of variable p, put the given value minus 2. Minus 2p cube means minus 2 into p cube. Minus 3p square means minus 3 into p square. Plus 4p means 4 into p plus 7. Now put the value of variable minus 2. It is negative, so keep always it in bracket. Minus 2 into, at the place of p, minus 2. Minus 2 cube. Minus 3 at the place of p, minus 2. Minus 2 square. Plus 4 at the place of p, minus 2 plus 7. Now find out the values of minus 2 cube, minus 2 square. So minus 2 cube. Minus 2 cube means minus 2 is multiplied itself 3 times. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. In this multiplication, negative sign is coming 3 times. So product is negative. 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. So minus 2 cube is equal to minus 8. Now p square means minus 2 square. Minus 2 square means minus 2 into minus 2. Here in this multiplication, minus sign is 2 times. So product is positive and 2 2s are 4. Now here minus 2 at the place of minus 2 cube, put minus 8. It is again negative. So keep it in bracket. Minus 3 at the place of minus 2 square, put 4 into 4 plus. Now in this multiplication, one number is negative, the other is positive. So product is negative. 4 2s are 8 plus 7. This multiplication, both the numbers are negative. So product is positive and 2 8s are 16. In this multiplication, one number is negative, the other is positive. Product is negative. 3 4s are 12. Minus 8 plus 7. Now we can add these positive numbers first. 16 plus 7 minus 12 minus 8. 16 plus 7 is 23. Minus 12 minus 8. Now this 23 minus 12 is 11. And this is minus 8. 11 minus 8 is 3. So the value of expression when the value of variable p is given minus 2 is 3. Question 3. Find the value of expressions when the value of variable x is given minus 1. First one, 2x minus 7. 2x. 2x means 2 into x minus 7. Now at the place of x, put minus 1. It is negative. So put in bracket. 2 into x is minus 1 in bracket minus 7. Now in this multiplication, one number is positive, the other is negative. So product is negative and 2 1s are 2. This is minus 7. Now add. Minus 7 minus 2, both are negative. Add and give the same sign. Answer we get here minus 9. Second, minus x plus 2. At the place of x, put minus 1. It is negative. So, put in bracket. This minus, and at the place of x, again minus 1 in bracket, plus 2. In front of the bracket, negative sign is there. So, opposite of minus 1 is plus 1. Plus 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. Third, x square plus 2x plus 1. X square means x into x. 2x means 2 into x plus 1. Now at the place of x, put minus 1. It is negative, put in bracket. Into minus 1, and this is again minus 1. Plus 2 into, at the place of x, minus 1. And plus this 1. Now this multiplication. In this multiplication, both the numbers are negative. So, product is positive, and 1 ones are 1. In this multiplication, we have to take the whole term. One number is positive, the other is negative. So, product is negative, and 2 ones are 2, and this is 1. So, plus 1 plus 1, it is 2. 1 plus 1, and this is minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. 2x square. 2x square means 2 into x minus x minus 2. Now at the place of x, put value minus 1. 2. It is negative. So always keep it in bracket. At the place of x, minus 1. Again at the place of x, minus 1. Minus. Now at the place of x, again minus 1. Keep it in bracket. And this is minus 2. Now this multiplication. In this multiplication, there are two negative signs. So product is positive. 2 ones are 2, and again 2 ones are 2. This multiplication. In front of this bracket, negative sign is there. So take opposite of minus 1. Opposite of minus 1 is plus 1. And this is minus 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. So, value of this expression, when the value of variable x is given minus 1, is 1. Question 4. If a equal to 2 and b equal to minus 2, find the values of expressions. First, a square plus b square. A square means a into a plus. B square means b into b. Now, at the place of a, put 2. It is positive. So, we can write 2 into 2 plus. At the place of b, put minus 2. It is negative. So, keep it in bracket. Minus 2 into again minus 2. This multiplication. 2 2s are 4 plus. Now, this multiplication. Both the numbers are negative. So, product is positive. And 2 2s are 4. And 4 plus 4 is 8. Second, a square plus ab plus b square. A square means a into a plus. AB means a into b plus b square means b into b. Now put a equal to 2. 2 into 2 plus. Here a is 2 into b is negative number. So keep it in bracket. Plus again b is negative, minus 2 into minus 2. Now products. 2 2s are 4. This is plus. Find out the answer of this. One number is negative, other is positive. Product will be negative. Or we can write this sign first and keep the product in bracket because it is negative. Minus 2 2s are 4. And here minus 2 into minus 2. Both numbers are negative. Product will be positive. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. Or you can do like this also. 4. In front of this bracket plus sign is there. So take the number out of bracket as it is. Plus 4. This 4 minus 4 will cancel. And this only 4 is left. So the answer we get 4. Third, a square minus b square. A square means a into a minus b square means b into b. Now at the place of a put 2. 2 into 2 minus. At the place of b put minus 2. It is negative value. So keep it in bracket. At the place of b minus 2 into. Again at the place of b minus 2. Now multiplications. 2 2s are 4. This is minus sign. Now multiplication of this. Both the numbers are negative. So product will be positive. And 2 2s are 4. So here we can keep it in bracket. 4 minus 4 is 0. Question 5. When a is given equal to 0 and b is minus 1. Find the values of the expressions. First one, 2a plus 2b. 2a means 2 into a plus 2b means 2 into b. Now put the values equal to 0 and b equal to minus 1. At the place of a, 0. And 2 into at the place of b, minus 1. It is negative value. So keep it in bracket. Any number multiplied by 0, we get 0 plus. In this multiplication, one number is negative. So product is negative and 2 ones are 2. Bring the number out of bracket. In front of bracket plus sign is there. So minus 2 will come out. Answer is minus 2. Second, 2a square means 2 into a plus b square means b into b plus 1. Now put the values. 2 at the place of a, 0. 2 into 0 into 0 plus b. Value is negative. Keep it in bracket. Minus 1 into again this b minus 1 plus 1. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0 plus. Now this multiplication. Minus 1 into minus 1. Both the numbers are negative. Product will be positive. 1 ones are 1. So you can keep it in bracket also, or simply you can take it out, because in front of the bracket again plus sign is there. So you can write plus 1 and this is plus 1 and 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 0 we get 2 only. Third, 2a square b means 2 into a into b plus 2ab square means 2 into a into b plus ab means a into b. Now put the values. 2. A is equal to 0. 0 into 0 into b is minus 1. Keep it in bracket. Plus 2 into a is 0. B is minus 1. Again b is minus 1. Plus a is 0 into b minus 1. Now this multiplication. In this multiplication there is 0. So any number multiplied by 0 is 0 plus. In this multiplication also there is 0. So any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Again in this multiplication minus 1 is multiplied by 0. So we get 0. And answer is 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. Fourth, a square means a into a plus ab means a into b plus 2. Put 0 at the place of a. 0 into 0 plus a is 0 into b. B is minus 1 plus 2. Here 0 into 0 is 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0 plus 2. And 0 plus 0 plus 2 is